Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. Today's job lead comes from the company Great Minds. Great Minds is in the industry of creating K through 12 educational material. They do have a 3.7 star rating on Glassdoor. If you saw my scam alert video yesterday, you know that I try to make sure I don't share companies that I can't either validate or don't have a great rating from current and past employees. So my threshold for sharing something, just letting you know, is at least 3 out of 5 stars. Anything lower and I tend not to share those, but let me know down in the comments below if you would like me to share anything, no matter what their scoring is. And of course, the links to this Glassdoor page and the application page, if you want to apply for this job, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, this job, because it is in the education space and schools are out in the summer most of the time, is going to be a seasonal position. But Great Minds is looking for a seasonal order processing specialist. This is remote for my United States folks only. But they are looking for somebody to basically help process their purchase orders. You'll process the purchase orders by entering the data through data entry utilizing their Salesforce system. So you'll take the purchase orders and you'll enter them into the system so that they are in the system. You'll then fulfill orders for digital products. Now, digital products are electronic, so you'll probably be sending links to the products through email or PDFs to their email, all of that stuff. You'll research and resolve any purchase order discrepancies and errors, and you'll maintain accurate records related to those purchase orders. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a basic knowledge of Salesforce, someone who can be organized and detail-oriented, someone who has strong knowledge of how to use a Microsoft Office suite, great communication skills, and the ability to work independently and part as a team. Now, I did mention that this is a seasonal position. It is full-time, though. They're looking for somebody to work 40 hours per week starting April 17th through the end of September. It says that you can be based anywhere in the United States as long as you can work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So again, make sure if you're outside of that time zone to convert your hours to see if that will work for you. They are going to provide the laptop and monitor you need to do the job, and they're paying $22 an hour. Now, one thing to note, they are going to require you, because you're dealing in the educational space with children material, to pass a criminal history background check before employment. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.